So this is the final video that I'm going to be doing for these recipes that I've made. So far I've made a roasted chicken and using some low calorie, low fat items. And then I made my stuffed, I made my roasted sweet potatoes and turnips. And they're very delicious, and I did do an extra glaze on there, and I'll show you how to do that real quick. And then I did my stuffed, a beautiful stuffed collard green with some delicious nutty rice. So I had some rice left over, and I had some of those collard greens left over as well. And so we don't want to be wasteful, so what you can do with that is make a side dish, or you can make a stuffing for the chicken. And I decided, why not make like a stuffing, because I mean it'll go delicious with the chicken. So what I did was I took all the inside out of the chicken, the celery, the bell peppers, and the celery, bell peppers, and the onions, and I don't think I put carrots in it. I think it was just those ingredients. And I took them out and I chopped them up. I added them to the rice, and then the scraps of the greens, the collard greens, I chiffonade them, chopped them, added to the rice as well. Took some carrots, put some color in it, and this is so easy to do. And it's delicious, and it's got a lot of flavors. And I always think about adding some color, because to me it makes food taste better, and you put nutrients in them, and it's healthy, and I think your family will like this anyway. So yeah, it's just healthier. And then I squeezed a little bit of lemon. I grated some of the lemon in there. I zested. Excuse me. Zested a little bit of the lemon in there. You know, squeeze a little bit of that lemon and add it in there. That gave it that acidity. Let's see. I added, and then I just added a little bit of salt. And there I have it. I have like a delicious stuffing or a side dish for my chicken. With that lemon, it has onions in it, all that stuff that was cooked, and I have a delicious stuffing. So I'm just gonna go ahead, kind of stuff my chicken in there like that. Put it on the side. Yeah, I'm telling you, this is a nice dinner. And just using those little ingredients that I mentioned. Yeah, I want to get all that. And then I reserved the liquids, of course. I wanted to reserve the liquids because I wanted to basically, you know, keep it on the side and maybe drizzle some more of that, and we can stick it right back in the oven. Okay. And then with that glaze, that added glaze, what I did was basically took some balsamic vinegar. You know, you could use as much as you want. I would say like about 1/4 of a cup. Added about a good teaspoon, a teaspoon of sugar. This is brown sugar. I didn't do that with the glaze. I used just regular organic sugar. And then I added a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, I drizzle a little bit of just to put some moisture, more moisture in there, because that balsamic vinegar gets really strong. So I basically put two of the acids in it. If you want to add a little bit more liquid to that, that's fine. You can add a little bit more stock, but then you want to reduce it until it becomes like this nice syrupy, and then you just kind of pour it over, and there you have it. Then you have your nice you have your nut. Oh, this is, I love these turnips. With that balsamic, it just kind of, because that acid breaks off a little bit of bitterness. So the acid, what it does, it breaks up that bitterness in that turnip, and then complement it with the sweet potatoes. That's delicious. It's delicious, and it's healthy because you're roasting it. You didn't have to add a lot of butter in it, and you have like a nice flavor, nice whole flavor to that. Now what I'm going to do is quickly make a little dipping sauce so I'm going to take the plate out. Carefully take the plate out. That's my dolmas, or I call them my colored dolmas, are done. And then I want to make, and see, this is I can't wait to bite into those because those are yummy. Okay, so I'm gonna make a sauce. Traditionally, it's a creme fraiche or a sour cream, but I'm going to use the yogurt. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get some of this lemon out of there. So I'll put about a good tablespoon with that looks like about a half a cup. Add some of my parsley, my flat leaf parsley to that. And then take some of the zest from my lemon. Make sure your lemons are clean. I wash my lemons thoroughly. And then add some salt to that. A little bit of pepper, white pepper. Why not? Just give that a little mix. I want to taste that. I want to give that a little bit of a taste. Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah. It's a nice sauce. And it's not, and it's low calorie, and it's not fattening. It's not fattening at all. So I'm going to take one of my delicious, there you go. Oh, look at that. That's so nice. It's got that little caramel on the bottom where all the food, all the flavors are kind of seeped down there. And then I'm just going to add that on top. And you can serve these hot or cold. And you can serve them as a first course, as an appetizer. Yeah, look at that. Just delicious. Oh my goodness. You can serve them by themselves. Serve the sauce on the side. These are so delicious. That lemon gives it a zing. Gives it a zing of a flavor. The black rice, it has that real nutty, it's like a rich nutty flavor, and it complements the lemon, it complements the greens, even the yogurt. So I've shared a little bit about the glutamates, where they come from, the amino acids, and some of our items have more glutamates than others. Amino acids are found in all our food and even our meats. But if you want to go vegan, I think there's nothing wrong with it, as long as you get all those, you get enough that is going to sustain you. Meat is healthy. It's always going to be healthy. We've been eating meat for many since the beginning of time. Man is eating meat. So I think sometimes we eat too much meat. So if you cut down on your meat and eat more legumes and you eat more vegetables, and I think together we can make it a better place to live, and we can contribute to our planet in a very healthy way, and make our planet last longer, right? Okay, I hope you enjoyed my clips. So I'll talk to you later. All right, thanks. It's almost the end of January, and I didn't do a farm-to-table meal. I usually do it at the beginning of the year, and I didn't do it this time. And so I said, okay, I got to do a farm-to-table because my father loved traditional American food. To me, this brings me back home to my traditional roots of America. So, and I learned a lot in my classes that I took, and I also learned a lot about whole foods and nutrition and how we're really supposed to eat. And I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.